Hello everyone and welcome to Ira Tutorials. I am Aarti Naik and today I am going to teach you class 10th subject English unit 2 topic 2.5. Let's march. Today we are going to discuss workshop of this lesson, and already this lesson is taught and you can see its video in my previous uploaded video. Link is given in description box. So with that link you can see first explanation of this lesson, and after that only go for the English workshop. So question number question number 2, mention the social issues highlighted by the Kailash Satyarthi in his speech on social issue. One social issue is given for you, that is child labor. So which other social issues are highlighted by Kailash Satyarthi? Child marriage, slavery, illiteracy, sexual abuse, then trafficking, etc. are mentioned in this speech. Question number 3, complete the following diagram chart. The aim in the life of Kailash Satyarthi is that every child should be free to be a child, to grow and develop, to laugh and cry, to play and learn, to dream, to eat, sleep and see daylight, and to go to school. All this freedom a child should have. Question number 3, complete the following web chart. What Kailash Satyarthi appeals? So first he appeals, let us march from darkness to light. Let us march for ignorance to awakening. Let us march from democratized knowledge. Let us march for universalized justice, and let us march for globalized compassion. So for all these things Kailash Satyarthi is appealing us. Question number 5. Think and give your own response. How can education help the deprived children and child laborers? Okay, so how it can help? So it can help. Education gives you power. With education you can get good employment, and with good employment you can live the life of a good citizen. And only with education child means at this age means children has to take education only. With that education only their future can be bright. So education will give them proper direction to act in their life. It will give them proper direction for thinking in good way. Their knowledge, if their knowledge is increasing, their capacity of thinking and their relation with the society can also be developed. Second, name any other social activist who has worked or is working earnestly for child welfare. Write about his or her activities. Okay, so if you are knowing any social activist who is working for the child welfare, so about that you have to write here. So you can write about Kailash Satyarthi also, or already this speech is related to Kailash Satyarthi, so we can write about Malala. So Malala is also working for the child welfare. She was the girl who was deprived from taking education in at her local place, and now she is working so that all the girls of the world can get education. What message does the little bird story of the forest fire convey to us? Explain. Generally we are waiting for the result. We are waiting for the others for doing anything, but for any good thing you did not need to wait for anyone else, but you can start with your own. You can do your share in that particular work. You can give your contribution, and when everybody will start thinking like that, there will be no any social issue, no social problem will remain in this world. D. Besides the political freedom that our nation enjoys, what other freedom should it strive for? Say why. So, which freedom we should strive for? We should strive for the freedom of, especially for girl, woman, freedom for working, taking education whatever she wants, freedom for expressing her thoughts, and freedom for her own self, that she can whatever she is thinking, whatever her thoughts are there, if suppose she want to make career in particular direction, she must get support from the family. So all these freedoms we want. Also freedom for children to express their ideas, freedom for children to get education, to get all the facilities which are needed at the childhood. E. What is your impression of acceptance speech given by Kailash Satyarthi when he received the Nobel Prize? So, my impression is there he thought about each and every child of the world, and it is our responsibility when we become adult, it is our responsibility to take care of children, and we are fail at some point wherever in the world we are, means here globally I am saying, I am talking about the people, those who can save them, those who can think about them, those who can direct them in good path. So that gives me a good impression that he is really doing a great job at the cost of his life. Many people are giving, many people are trying to threaten him, but he is ignoring all these things, and without giving up his work, he is continuing it with great enthusiasm. So that thing we can learn, and he really deserves Nobel Prize for his work, because children are the future of any nation. Children are the future of the world. If we can't save them, definitely the day is no more long, we all will be finished. Question number 6. Choose the correct option and write in front of the given word to convey the exact meaning. First is divinity. So divinity means godliness. Extremist. Extremist means militant. Then next is culminate, that means rise to peak. Then exploitation, misuse. Then mortality, mortality means death. Dignity, self esteem. Question number 7. Pick out from the lesson the noun from the following word. Dignified, noun is dignity. Pacify, pacification is noun. Pursue, pursuit is the noun. Ignore, ignorance. Poor, poverty. Divine, divinity. Now verb form of the following word. Democracy, democratize. Global, globalize. Hindrance, hinder. Resolution, resolve. Liberty, liberate. Service, serve. Question number 8a. Use the following words as a noun as well as a verb and make meaningful it. For example, march. March as a noun. People lead the march against the corruption. March as a verb. Sohan marched to the police station angrily. Honor. Noun as a honor. I got an honor of visiting London. Verb. We must honor our national flag. Credit. As a noun, sport persons always give credit of their success to their coach. Verb. The prize money has been credited to Rima's account. Stitch. Noun. A stitch in time saves the nine. Verb. I like to stitch my clothes. Then question number 8b. Write minimum 4 hidden words of more than 4 letter from intragovernmental. So that you can do, you find out the word and you can write down it. Question number C. Make meaningful sentence by using the following phrase in your notebook. In pursuit of. Many people lose their health in pursuit of wealth. Be afraid of. One should not be afraid of facing difficult situations. Give up. We must never give up our ambitions. Pick from the lessons antonyms, that means opposites: ignorance, knowledge; immortality, morality; then immorality, morality; deny, accept; violence, peace; well known, unknown; slavery, freedom. Question number 9a. What will you do in the following situation? If now this question is related to your personal response. Okay, so whatever you feel, you have to write down there. For example, first one: if you see a child working in a restaurant, what would you do? So first I will do inquiry about the child, that what is the reason why he is working there. If possible for me, I will provide him some books and notebooks, and I will request restaurant owner to give him at least some time for taking education, or I will request him to provide him education, and if possible I will pay fees of that child for the school. So along with working, if working is the necessity for him, then along with working he can take education also. If you find a child working on a construction site, what you will do? First I will complain against the uh, owner of the construction site, because child should not work at the construction site because it is very risky. Okay, then I would like to talk with that child to find out its really problem, why he is working at the construction site, what is his need, and I will try to help him, or I will try to at least make him aware about some social service agencies which can help him. If you find a child working on a brick work site, so childhood is not for working anywhere, it is for playing and taking education only. I would like to try, I will try to convince the owner of that brickwork that give support to that child for taking education, or I will request him to explain him the importance of the education. If you came across a beggar child, if I came across a beggar child, I will try to find out his difficulty and how it can be solved. For that I will work out. Question number B. Write any two efforts that you can make to enroll deprived children out of school children in a school. One is given for you. I will persuade parents of such children to send him to school. I will try to give him I will try to arrange last year's old books and some notebooks for that child to go for the school. Then I will try to give him I will try to explain him some topics which are difficult for him. Now question number 10 is related to types of sentences. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete idea. Sentences can be classified into various ways. The following is the classification of the sentence. Statement. A statement is a sentence that makes a statement or assertion. Okay, or this type of sentences may be known as assertive sentence or declarative sentence. Second is interrogative sentence. It is the sentence that asks a question. It is of two subtypes: interrogative, that means yes no type sentence, and WH interrogative sentence. So in yes no type, answer is yes or no is expected, and WH questions are begin with the WH words such as who, why, where, what, etc. Imperative sentence. It expresses command, request, etc. It generally begin with verb. For example, open your books. Okay. Then exclamatory, it is very easy to identify because it expresses a strong feeling, and along with exclamation mark also this sentence can be identified. Now here question is there that you have to identify the type of sentence. First, the mantras carries a prayer. It is a statement, so assertive sentence. Is the world so poor? Interrogatives. Kill not your children because of poverty. Imperative statement, imperative sentence. So here it expresses a request. Let's walk together. Imperative, command it is, or request also sometimes. What can one person do? Interrogative. We have made progress. Assertive sentence. How utterly we have failed our children. Exclamatory. What a big challenge it is. Exclamatory sentence. Okay. So I hope that these types of sentences are, I try to make it easy for you and you can understand it very easily. Now this is all about the workshop of Let's March. If you have any difficulty, do write in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Many of you have already subscribed it, so you can talk to your friend about this channel. This channel contains lectures, videos of lectures of Maharashtra State Board English from class 5 to class 8, sorry, class 10. So if your friends are there in other classes, if your relatives are there in other classes, you can suggest them to subscribe this channel to get videos on English subject. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.